Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that Google Chrome now has a built-in split view feature? With just a few clicks, you can view two websites side by side in the same Chrome window. This is perfect for comparing information, researching, copying data, or working with two web pages at the same time. Here's how to use the new Add tab to new split view feature in Google Chrome. First, make sure you have at least two tabs open in Chrome. Now, right-click on the tab you want to place in split view. From the menu, click Add tab to new split view. Chrome will instantly split the current window into two side-by-side tabs. You can also choose which tab appears on the other side. Click the second tab you want to display. The selected tab will now join the split view. This lets you quickly switch between different tab combinations without opening another browser window. The divider in the middle can be dragged left or right. This allows you to resize each tab depending on your work. For example, you can make one web page larger while keeping the other visible. If you want to review different websites, simply click another tab. Chrome lets you replace one side of the split view with a different tab, making it easy to compare multiple pages without constantly switching windows. To close only the left split view, click the X button on the left tab. The right tab will remain open as a normal Chrome tab. To close only the right split view, click the X button on the right tab. The left tab will stay open. If you want to swap the positions of the two tabs, click the split view icon in the address bar. Then select Reverse Views. Chrome will instantly switch the two tabs. The tab on the left will move to the right, and the tab on the right will move to the left. This is useful when you want your primary web page on a different side without recreating the split view. If you want to return to the normal browsing mode without closing either page, click the separate split view icon in the address bar. The tabs will be separated and continue as regular Chrome tabs. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Chrome tips and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.